very exciting news. CEW edit their second ever beauty box, CEW Cosmetic Executive Women. This is a non-profit organization to promote the contributions of women in the beauty industry. Last year, they did an absolutely amazing beauty box costing £168 for holiday 2020. It contained 19 beauty products. This year, for summer, they're doing their second ever beauty edit. Unfortunately, I don't have the edit, I don't have the box. This is a paltry little channel. I don't get PR samples, nor do I work with brands anymore. Now, this launches on the 20th of May, that is Thursday, which is tomorrow. Unfortunately, it does not ship outside of the UK unless you use a kind of shipping forwarder service. The second edition of the CEW Edit includes 15 retail-sized best-selling beauty products. Note that phrase there, retail-sized. Until last year, a lot of brands used to say full-sized, you know, when it was actually a discovery size, when it was actually a sample that sold at the price and so on. Now they're very clever. They're using the term retail-sized so that YouTubers or bloggers or Instagrammers are far more influential than I am will not call them out on it. So that customers will not call them out on it and say, hey, you're calling these full-sized. That one is not full-sized. Full-sized is 100 mils. This is only 30 mils. Ergo, this is only a discovery or travel size that does have a retail price. So now they're calling it 15 retail sizes. With everything from luxurious skincare and hair care to summer makeup must-haves. The CEW Summer Beauty Edit is the ultimate treat for beauty lovers. It is priced at £175 and is worth more than £699. Holiday 2020 Beauty Edit had 19 products, this one has 15. That one cost £168, this one costs £175. So you pay more and get fewer products than was the case for Holiday 2020. Keep that in mind. May is an important month for the Eve appeal as it is Get Lippy month, where the charity encourages people to talk about the gynec health and address any worries or symptoms they have. As before, CEW will be donating a minimum of £2,000 to the Eve appeal, and the donations will focus on helping the invaluable nurse-led service, Ask Eve, a specialist service providing information and guidance to all who are concerned about the signs, symptoms and risk factors associated with gynec cancers. Right, that is very generous of them to donate this amount. And I feel that women's health is something that's very, very largely ignored. Take endometriosis, for instance. All these years later, not much is understood about this yet. You still don't have, these are the only symptoms out there. Ness, you have, you know, all kinds, anything can be endo. Right, so you've seen a picture of what the box looks like, what the contents are. Now I'll tell you what's inside. Antonia Burrell Natural Glow Cleansing Oil 100 mils is indeed full size, retailing at £46. Now this one contains bitter orange oil, tea tree oil, camphor oil, bergamot oil, citrus oil, sesame oil, castor oil, lemon oil, lavender oil and wheat germ oil. Wheat is one of the big 8 allergens. Wheat, soy, peanuts, shellfish. I've forgotten what the other 4 are. Anyway, there are these big 8 allergens. So this is the kind of product that I can't use. That gross picture is not me turning into an alien, but it is literally what happened during the last allergic reaction. My neck still has, you know, remnants, from last night. The thing is, when there are allergic people, I really don't think the big 8 should be included in skincare. You don't really need wheat germ oil or soy products in skincare or peanuts in skincare. The next product, oft repeated in beauty boxes and advent calendars these days, Augustinus Beta, the Rich Cream, 15 mils. This is a discovery size, retailing at £65. Full size is 50 mils, retailing at a whopping £205. I don't think there's anybody out there who's actually gone and purchased the full size for £205. Particularly not when we get a lot of discovery sizes in beauty boxes. See, this is why they've used the term retail sized there instead of full size, because this is discovery size. It does retail at the price, but full size is actually 50 mils, not 15 mils. Right, next product, Bare Minerals Strength and Length Mascara 8 mils. Also full size, retailing at £23. Next one, By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Primer 40 mils, retailing at £42, also full size. Now with these four products, Antonia Burrell cleansing oil 46 quid, Augustinus Beta Rich Cream Discovery Size 65 quid, Bare Minerals Mascara 23 quid, and the By Terry Primer 42 quid. We are already past that £175 mark, and £175 is the cost of this box. So we already passed that with just these four products. That's great, insane value for the money here, people. Right, next product, Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Face Oil, 15 mils. This retails at £67. This contains rosehip oil, geranium oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, almond oil, and coconut oil. Again, that's a very comedogenic product for ingredient for those of us who are acne prone. Coconut oil. I know people who slather it on coconut butter on their face and don't have a single problem. Other people look at coconut oil and break out. I'm one of those. Right, next product, Iconic Lustre Lip Oil, 6 mils, £21 is the retail price. This year we're getting Out of Office, which is a clear shade. Last year we had the exact same product, not a clear one, a red one, in the CEW Beauty Edit. So that's our first repeat there. Next product, Living Proof Restore Repair Mask, 200 mils, retailing at £33. Full-sized hair mask, always welcome, I say. The next product, Molton Brown, obviously a shower gel. This one is Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. However, unlike those namby-pamby 100 mil sample sizes that a lot of advent calendars send out, you know which ones I'm talking about. This is absolutely full-sized at 300 mils, retailing at £22. The next product, Murad Night Fix Enzyme Treatment, 30 mils, retailing at £60, indeed full-size. This is a very hydrating product with a number of plant extracts and contains shea butter, which is another very comedogenic ingredient. What is this? Let's break people out box. Coconut oil, shea butter, come on. The next product is from MZ Skin Hydra Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. You get a single sheet mask, people, one sheet mask. Apparently this one sheet mask retails at £20. Last year, in the last CW edit, we had the under eye patches. I feel that this is a trend that we've seen over the last 2 or 3 years, 2 years in particular. Insert a sheet mask or an under eye patch pair, single, yeah, in a beauty box in one door of an advent calendar and call it a full-size product. Not happy with this trend at all. Full size though is a pack of 5. Right, the next product, Omorovicza. Well done on those who are guessing the name of the product from the expression on my face. Yes, you guessed it right. Queen of Hungary Mist. 50 mils you get. Full size is 100 mils, retailing at £59. This one is 50 mils, which retails at £28. In the last CEW edit, they sent out the Magic Moisture Mist, which was a kind of hybrid, somewhere between a mist and an essence. This one is a proper QOH mist. The next product is from Pi, the Impossible Glow. 30 mils. These are bronzing drops that give you a bit of a bronzy look. Not quite fake tan, but yeah, if you're already tanned, I wouldn't see the need of this kind of product. This is £29, people. And this also contains hyaluronic acid and sea kelp. The next product is from Paula's Choice. It is a CBD treatment milk, 40 mils, retailing at £43. This again contains 8 or 9 botanical oils. Well, CBD, the trend is clearly not completely gone as far as I can see. The next product is from QMS Medicosmetics. You get the Lip Line Corrector, 15 mils. 15 mils of this costs £155, people. £155 for a lip line corrector. For that price, I want a whole new pair of lips. Nice, beautiful, delicate Cupid's bow, the kind that is described in, I don't know, Rilla of Ingleside or Sleeping Beauty, gift from one of those fairies or something like that. A whole new pair of lips, 155 quid. Yeah, have you even heard of a lip line treatment product that costs 155 quid? Well, apart from Barbara Stan, that is. I don't know if she has a lip line product. Right, the last product is from Ren. You get the Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. According to this, the list from CEW, it is 30 mils. Full size is actually 50 mils, retailing at £38. I don't know if they meant 50 mils, and this was a typo. This is the little pamphlet that came with last year's The Holiday 2020 CW edit, my review of which I will link in the description box below. As you can see, there's a full eyeshadow palette, the same lip Lustre oil, an hourglass blush full size, Charlotte Tilbury mini palette, pillow talk palette, the quad that is, Estee Lauder eye cream, the ANR Advanced Night Repair thingy, Bath and Body Floral Street Shower Cream and Shower Gel Iris, Elemis Cleansing Balm Pro-Collagen, Wishful Honey Balm from Huda Beauty, Under Eye Patch, yes, definitely there. The Organic Pharmacy Night Repair Retinol Serum, very, very nice. I love that product. So I feel, and then there was an eyeliner from Chiati, and this beautiful under eye cream, vitamin C it had, from Dermalogica. So overall, I feel that this was a better curation. It was more up my alley, suited my skin better, yeah? Now, let's just quickly calculate those prices there. 46, 65, 176 up to the Biteri. Then you have the Elemis oil at 67 quid, Iconic Lip Oil 21, Living Proof Mask 33, Molton Brown 22, Murad 60, MZ Skin Sheet Mask 20, Omorovicza 28, Pie 29, Paula's Choice 43, Lip Line Corrector £155, Ren Gel Cream 38 quid, let's call it 38, probably a typo, 50 mils. And then we get £692. They claim it is worth more than 699. I get 692. All prices mentioned are full-sized and are undiscounted from the respective websites. You may get some of these, for instance, that Bare Minerals mascara is down at £19 on Essential. So I'm not counting the discounted prices. Counting the non-discounted prices, I get £692. You pay £175 and you get products worth £692 full size. That is an amazing, great deal. Very, very, very good value for the money. This is available on CEW's website. Where to buy, I will link in the description box below. It's a crying shame that they're not shipping this worldwide. I think this is a great opportunity to get a lot of skincare to try. I don't see much by way of makeup. There's basically a mascara and a primer in here and bronzing drops. Apart from that, I don't know what they meant by summer makeup must-haves. Maybe the bronzing drops were the summer makeup must-haves. Because last time they had a palette from Iconic London, a quad from Charlotte Tilbury. More makeup in there, definitely. But that's just as well, very few of us are still going out. Most of us are still working from home. There's need for more skincare than makeup right now. I also feel that there's less Bath and Body in here because, the main thing I can see is the Molton Brown Shower Gel. Last year, there was that Floral Street Iris set, a body lotion and a shower gel, both of which were 200 mils a piece, which was very generous. So this year, I feel that the sort of emphasis is on skincare here. Now, will I be getting this? No. First of all, I'm completely budgeted out. It's either this or forego the Yes Style Advent calendar. I don't want to do that, I want to save up for holiday. I'm completely broke, without going into too much detail. I haven't been able to spend on anything much this year. And this is not meant to be a wine fest or, a sort of plea for attention, or it's not. I'm just being very matter of fact here. I can't afford it right now. No, absolutely not. I know that a lot of us are on the same boat. The other thing is, one of the products contains wheat, another contains coconut oil, another contains shea butter. There's a sheet mask, our friend the QOH Mist from the Omorovicza brand, fake tan-ish bronzing drops. So 6 products that I definitely can't use. The lip oil I already have. So overall, Molton Brown, not too excited. I have enough Molton Brown for a long time ahead. The rich cream, again, another repeat that we're seeing all over the place. So overall, I'm not as excited about this curation as I was about last year. So I do hope the holiday curation is better. And not only that, I've kind of moved the bulk of my skincare is now K-beauty for several reasons. Affordability, non-breaking outness, it's better for my skin. So yeah, I would rather, you know, I've got a few affiliate points on YesStyle, thanks to some of you using my code. It is RENURENO144. For those who want to use my code, feel free to, feel free not to, no problem. If you use my code, I get 2% reward points, and they expire every 3 months. So by the end of June, I want to buy a couple of Purito Galactoniacin Power Essences, which is the latest product that I've discovered and something that I credit with what my skin looks like at present. So I'd like to buy a couple of those with some reward points, and whatever isn't enough, you know, I can contribute. So that would make a lot more sense to me, because I am using the product, than spending 175 quid on, you know, wheat, coconut oil, shea butter, sheet mask, the Omorovicza mist, and fake tan. Just an opinion. If you like it, definitely go ahead. As I told you, this is insane value for the money. Yeah, insane. Those who didn't buy last year's edit, who don't have these repeats, who don't have the Omorovicza mist, they'll definitely love this. I actually love the mist. It's just that I have enough to irrigate a small farm for a whole year. So those are my thoughts on the CEW Summer Beauty Edit. What are your thoughts? Will you be buying this? If so, do tell me in the comments below. Or what, you know, if you won't be buying it, what are you buying instead? What kind of skincare do you like? K-beauty or mainstream? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. And please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.